Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we show you how to easily set up the Pix-Link WR09 Wi-Fi repeater to extend your internet signal. Follow our step-by-step guide to connect the repeater to your home network, improve Wi-Fi coverage, and fix weak signal areas in your home. Whether you're a beginner or tech-savvy, this tutorial will make the process simple and quick. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the Pix-Link WR09 Wi-Fi repeater box, you'll find the WR09 repeater device itself, along with a power adapter for plugging it into a standard socket. The box also includes a user manual with setup instructions to help you configure the device. Some models might come with a LAN cable for optional wired connections during setup. Insert the WR09 into a power socket near your router. Keep it close to the router for the initial setup to ensure a strong connection. Once powered on, the repeater's indicator lights will turn on. This indicates that the device is booting up and is ready for configuration. On your phone, tablet, or computer, go to the Wi-Fi settings and look for available networks. Select the default Pix-Link network. You should see a Wi-Fi network named something like Pix-Link or Wireless N. Connect to this network. At this point, your device might show no internet because the repeater is not yet connected to your main Wi-Fi network. Once connected to the Pix-Link network, open your preferred browser, e.g., Chrome, Safari. Enter the IP address. In the browser's address bar, type the default IP address for Pix-Link WR09, 192.168.10.1. Press Enter. A Pix-Link login page will appear. The default credentials are typically username, admin password, admin, or leave it blank depending on the model. Note, if you can't access this page, check the manual for the correct IP address and credentials, as they can vary slightly between models. After logging in, you'll be directed to the setup page. The WR09 can operate in different modes such as access point, AP, or router mode, but for extending your Wi-Fi, choose repeater mode. The device will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. It should display your primary Wi-Fi network, the one you want to extend. Select your Wi-Fi network. From the list, click on your router's SSID, network name. You can either keep the same SSID, network name, as your main Wi-Fi or create a new one for the extender. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Apply or Save. The repeater will restart to apply the settings. Wait for reboot. The device will reboot, which may take a couple of minutes. During this time, the LED indicators will blink. After the setup is complete, you can unplug the WR09 from its current location. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.